Here at Simply Garden, with over 50 years of gardening experience, I believe in keeping things simple and productive while gardening in your own backyard.
Great. Okay. It is August, which means that peaches are coming, but they're not quite ready. Dad, what is it?
Plums.
Plum time.
Japanese plums.
So these are itty bitty, but they are juicy.
Oh my goodness. Unbelievable.
And they're dark inside. Okay, so today we are making a plum
Kuchen.
Kuchen.
Is that it?
Kuchen. Watch the end of the blooper reel and see what I ended up calling it. Okay, so to get started on this, we are going to need, and I left the butter outside to soften.
Oh,
Can you grab that on the porch?
It's 90 degrees outside.
90. It's going to soften quickly. Okay, so in our bowl, we're going to go ahead and get that butter. We're going to cream it with white sugar. So this recipe actually has both white sugar and brown sugar that we're going to use on the topping. So with this, we need that. That's a 1/4 cup of unsalted. If you remember from the last time, I like to use unsalted whenever baking.
Put it in there.
Put it in. And we need 3/4 cup of white sugar.
Do you want to continue slicing these guys?
Yes, so this recipe is going to call for 2 cups of sliced plums, and Dad has already, or I'm sorry, Dad was supposed to.
Oh.
I pre-chopped the
Got
plums.
a little busy, the old big garden, always something to do.
So Dad's just going to finish slicing. You just want them neatly sliced, neatly, Dad.
It's probably a good thing you did it. I'm not the best slicer. I'm more of just get it done, get it in there, you know?
We're going to go ahead and cream this. Okay. And then to this, we are going to add farm fresh eggs. Look at these beauties.
They really are. The local gal I work with, and she has her own chickens.
So I'm going to go ahead, whenever I'm dealing with farm fresh eggs, I like to crack it into a bowl. You never know what little treasures you may find in there that are fine in the compost bin, not so much in your dessert. So this one is wonderful. Look at that amazing
Yolk.
Oh, the yolk is beautiful.
You'll get that in the grocery stores for sure.
Dump that in. Go ahead and give this another whirl.
How more noise do you want?
Those last ones are perfect. That's great.
Perfect? Okay, you can't be mess here.
And egg number 2. And we're just going to beat that in until it's all combined. Okay, so that's all for that. Then to this, we are going to add 1 cup of flour. Just using a all-purpose flour. I'm not sure, do you think you can make this with like a whole wheat mix?
It wouldn't taste the same. No.
It's one of those
sorry.
times you're just gonna use the white
How much
flour.
flour are you using?
1 cup.
Oh, that's nothing.
Not
That's
much.
not much. For those of you who are concerned about gluten, there's gluten-free recipes, I'm sure, for making Kuchens. But we're going to go with the regular deal.
Okay, and then to this, we want to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Make sure it's fresh baking powder.
Yes. Is this?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, let me see. Yeah, it looks fresh.
It'll
yeah.
work.
Yeah.
Mom bakes a lot.
Especially pancakes with maple syrup. Delicious. Oh.
And then we're gonna just gently mix this together. Just till combined.
You all start with these?
Oh, we are.
All right. I think they got to freeze these up tonight. You get another recipe.
I have a couple recipes.
You do, so
Yeah.
I'm freezing up here.
Do you have more on the tree?
This is on the deck. They're all picked.
They're all picked. Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
we got probably about 3 full containers like this.
Okay, this is almost it. We're now going to go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of milk. And then one last ingredient for some added flavor. So I'm going to do a teaspoon of lemon zest.
Ooh.
Now if you do not have one of these, this is a rasp or a micro grater. This thing is amazing. Okay, Dad, how do you do this?
I would probably just go like this.
Okay, almost right.
Okay.
So come to find out, see how it's a nice little spoon shape? If you do it in this direction,
Oh, one direction
you
only.
collect all of the zest
in
so
there.
that you can measure it. Isn't that interesting?
Yeah. So this is not sliced, this is just...
This is just the zest. We're just
Okay.
going to put the lemon zest in there. We want about 1 teaspoon, I don't know, a little less than a whole lemon.
Awesome.
This is going to
Smells
add
so good. Oh,
some
you should smell
freshness,
already with this flavor coming up of
fresh
the
eggs.
fresh eggs and lemon zest and the plums.
Okay, we're just going to go ahead and dump that in. That's about a teaspoon.
There we go. All right, close enough.
We're going to give this a little, mix it all together. And that's it.
Wow, that was easy.
That was.
Good deal.
So now we're going to put all of this into a spring-form pan. And so a spring-form pan is like what you make a cheesecake in.
Yes, exactly.
So
Yep.
we're just going to go ahead and spray this really quick. Hold on, I'm going to do it over the sink. And then Dad, if you could grab me a spatula, I'm going to
Sure.
go ahead and put this all in.
Got it. There we go.
Okay.
This is a simple recipe.
This is simple. We like simple. Simple
right.
but flavorful.
Like kind of like Simple Garden. Right? We went away for vacation for a week. I came back to a simple jungle.
Oh my
Oh
goodness.
my goodness. The corn is coming in like you wouldn't believe right now. And the peaches are next, so we're going to do some peach recipes too. And we got some blueberries. I promised some blueberry
We
recipes.
did. We'll get to there.
No, we got about a couple more pints of blueberries to pick, and that's it for fresh blueberries this year. The heat is pushing along a little quicker.
So I'm just going to go ahead and get every little last bit of this batter.
All right.
Okay? And then come back over here, Dad.
Oh,
They want
I'm
to see you.
sliding out,
They want to
sorry.
see you. So to this, we're going to go ahead and take these plums and we're just going to put them all on top.
So we're just using a dump them or spread them out?
Make it look kind of pretty. Let me see
Okay, I'm just
how.
looking at the pictures on a
just
secret
making
drawer.
sure.
There's a secret drawer down here.
Yeah. So 2 cups of sliced fresh. This is the time you're going to need to use fresh. Frozen's going to just be too
So just
juicy.
working on laying in there.
Yeah.
Gives me which size up? Peel side?
You'll see it. Let's not be too picky.
Okay, it's getting in there.
We're going to eat this. We're not entering it into a beauty
No.
contest.
Well, I want to make it look pretty. You know,
You know what, Dad?
I know people.
Just get it in there.
We get the idea.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to let you finish doing that because
Yeah.
I need to measure out the topping.
Okay, I can handle that. She's gonna fingers I was cutting plums last night. My nails are just totally stained purple inside. It's called garden manicure. Slice plums all night long.
So for the topping, I'm going to go ahead and use a half a cup of brown sugar. And this is not the right one. There you go. Half a cup of packed brown sugar. If you hear little ones, it's because my mom,
It's super
who will
handy.
make her debut to try this recipe,
Oh, yeah.
is giving my little ones a bath.
Yeah,
So that I can do this with
If you get
Dad.
to want to marry her, and you get to meet my wonderful wife, her great mom, and her super nana.
She's amazing.
She is. She's unbelievable.
So to this, I'm going to add a full teaspoon of cinnamon.
Okay.
Plums are one of those great transitional fruits. They're not too summery. It's not quite fall. It's just
Okay.
perfect transitional fruit.
All right.
That's great, Dad. Look at this.
There we
Look
go.
at this. Didn't you do a good job?
Yeah, all right.
Okay, we're just going to give this a rough mix. And this is going to be sprinkled all over the top of this.
That's it?
That's it.
Brown sugar?
Hey, let me make sure I'm doing this
Make
right.
sure. Anything else there?
Arrange the plums and put the sprinkle with brown sugar and cinnamon. That seems like a lot of brown
Yes.
sugar.
The cinnamon?
Yeah, it's already in there.
All right. Well, it's going to melt.
Oh yeah, this
And
is
it'll kind
perfect.
of get probably a little crunchy on top, I think, or not?
I don't know. I guess we'll find out, won't we?
Yeah,
We've never made this
we did
recipe.
this one, yeah.
But you know what? The last time we did this with that rhubarb recipe,
It was a hit.
major success.
And
So
this will be put up on the,
you'll be able to find this recipe on my blog.
okay.
So that will be linked up in the profile below, as well as some of the kitchen tools we use, like this rasp, the spring form pan, and any other tools that will make your baking experiences easier.
So they're gonna click through from my YouTube channel to your blog. That's gonna be in the bottom of the description.
Yep. Okay.
Right.
Okay, so this is going to go into a 350-degree preheated oven for about 40 minutes. So, thankfully we have the magic of YouTube. You'll be seeing this in just a minute.
That's right. How many minutes?
40.
40. All right.
It's ready. You guys have got to take a look at this. Hold on, we've got it. Look at that. Is that not beautiful or what?
Let me give you the sniff test. Oh yeah, I can smell the plums. Oh.
So it's been resting for about 10 minutes here. We're going to take a butter knife and go ahead and cut around the edge here. Some of the juiciness of the plums mixed in with the brown
This is gonna be
sugar.
good. Oh my goodness.
Okay. I think we've got it.
You want the warm? You want to try to serve this warm.
I'll try to grab
That's
one
the
more
best,
little
the best
towel
way.
here.
So Marcia, you're not going to wait for this thing to sit around and cool down totally. I think you're good.
Hold on, we have a little
looks like
sticky.
a little sticky there. Okay.
Good. Hold on.
It's okay. I'll clean the inside. That's for sure. You got it?
There we
Put the sink
go.
behind. Oh boy, this is gonna be delicious. Delicious.
Okay, let's go ahead and give this a try.
All right.
So I knew it was done because the top was golden brown, and when I inserted a cake tester, it came out clean. There you go.
All right.
You're not-
Oh, that's right. I got the little plate underneath the little.
We're gonna serve this with ice cream. You could definitely do it with whipped cream,
Whoa.
but we need some vanilla ice cream.
Well, I'm gonna go put my own piece out here.
Okay.
Oh, this is gonna be good. Oh yeah.
Here, I'll get your ice cream. If you guys could smell this, it just smells so good.
And the plums have a little heat to them yet. Oh yeah. Slide
Okay,
them in.
ready? Right on top there?
Oh sure. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Yes.
Always eat dessert with a little spoon.
A spoon, absolutely. It makes you enjoy it longer. You get
Okay.
every savory.
Ready?
Okay, here we go. Oh. Wow. That's not the here's the deal here.
Oh,
It's
wow.
like, it's tart,
But the
but yet it's,
cake and topping are sweet.
mm,
Oh, that's good.
this is a winner, folks. You gotta try this one here. Yes, I know, maybe you can get plums from your farmer's market, local grocery store. I definitely would recommend the purple plums. They seem to have a better flavor. And they call them Japanese plums. And oh my goodness.
I'm sorry, I don't have much to say. It's so good. Okay, Dad, we are 2 for 2 with trying a new
Wow.
recipe and having it be amazing.
Yeah, next will be blueberries.
Old Nantucket recipe there. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, you can find this recipe in the description, and be sure to subscribe.
Thank you much. Hope you enjoyed it. We did.
It's so good.
Yeah. Well, I know what you're gonna do. You're gonna sneak some. Oh yeah, this is the best nighttime snack. There's a little bit of Kuchen. Actually, you know what Jen called it earlier? She called it. What did she call it? Kuchen? Kuchen. She says, "What's Kuchen?" I go,
Ooh.
"It's Kuchen." You look how you spell it. It looks like Kuchen. But
Oh, is that delicious?
by the way, this is my precious wife, Linda. She's the editor of all our YouTubes. She knocks out all the stupid stuff, makes sure you get some good content. And she's a result, and my daughter is a result of her. Did you say that right? Yeah, yeah, huh? Awesome.
delicious.
That was delicious.
Good job.
Mm.